moment for us. We as a teacher were with him. It was 2005, 2008 even, 8. And now it's almost 18 years when he passed out. He had a struggle in initial part of his life, and that taught him how to become hard and how to fight the odds of the life. And look today where he is. He's a very proud doctor and person, and son of from a very humble background, which teaches us. We were taught him some lessons, but from him we learn many lessons now.
Yeah.
You